go. Hello and welcome to Cursive for Lefties. Today we're going to go over cursive letter I. Cursive letter I. Now, as I say in all of the videos, you must, as a left-handed student, turn your paper. Tilt it to where your right-hand side is going down and your left-hand side is going up at an angle. Okay? For the purposes of this video, I'm going to keep mine straight so that you can see on the paper exactly what it is that I want you to do. Even though your paper is at an angle, I think you'll be able to see it better with mine being straight across. Remember that our letters, first of all, we write with our two fingers, index finger, pointer finger surrounding the pencil with our thumb on top. I usually rest mine right there, right below that knuckle on that index finger. And I put my thumb on top. It helps me to be able to stabilize the pencil and be able to control how I write better. Okay? Don't forget to slant your letters. We want to make them at a slant. So, the first one, capital letter I. What you want to do is you want to make a smiley face right below the dotted blue line. And then you want to come down to the red line, curve all the way up to the blue line, come back down to the red line and make your tail. Cursive capital I. Let's do that again. Right below the blue dotted line, you make the smiley face. Then you come back down to the solid red line. You go up at a slant to the blue solid line. Make your teardrop, cross it right below the dotted blue line, curve at your red line, and make your tail. We're going to do that again. If you need to stop the video at any time, do so you may practice what it is that I'm doing. If I'm going too fast, just play it again. There's my smiley face underneath my dotted blue line. And then I curve back. I go back and curve down to my solid red line. I go up at an angle to the solid blue line. I make a little teardrop and I cross that line right below the dotted blue line. Go back down to the red line, curve up, stop at the blue line with the tail. Again, smiley face, curve down to your red line, angle up to your blue line, teardrop, curve down to the red line and go up and stop at the dotted blue line. How's it going? Are they turning out at a slant? Don't forget to go up at a slant so that your letter can have a slant to it. Some letters are easier than others. Some letters you're going to be able to draw right away. Some other letters you're going to have to practice more in order to get them. Now, those are our capital letter I's in cursive. Now we're going to do our our lowercase letter I's, which are no larger than between the red baseline and the middle dotted blue line. Okay? We start our lowercase I on the red line. You want to slant up to the dotted blue line, trace it back down, curve back at the red line, back up and make your tail. and then you put your dot on top. Start at the bottom red line, curve and slant up to the dotted blue line, curve back down to the solid red line, curve back up, make your tail that stops at the dotted blue line. A lot of times students will make letters like this, and that's okay too, but you kind of want to trace it a little bit before you open it up. That looks like a carrot. That's true. Try to trace it down a little bit so it won't look so much like a carrot. Okay, so we have our capital cursive I's that we've done today and our lowercase cursive I's. Capital cursive I, lowercase cursive I. Don't forget to practice your H's, capital, lowercase cursive H, capital F, lowercase cursive F. Okay, so keep practicing your I's for today, and I will see you on the next video.